Good evening, Mr. and Mrs. C. My name is Samantha Cruz. I'm a speech language pathologist. I did some assessment findings with your daughter. The first one was a clinical assessment of articulation and phonology. It indicates that your daughter shows the presence of articulation disorder. Her articulation response was a score of 52, which was below the mean. The next testing I did was a phonological processing assessment, or in other words, for CAP. And it shows her standard deviation score was 31 from a phonological process disorder. So this assessment indicates that she shows a severe phonological processing disorder. The last assessment I did with her was language sample. She only spoke one word utterance. For articulation disorder, I will use a traditional approach will help her correctly produce the words. Well, to help her with her phonological disorder, I will use the Hudson cycle. It will help her with increasing her intelligibility and also correctly form or produce patterns of phonological patterns. And how her daily therapy will be like to help her with her articulation disorder. Our goal for her will be to work on multisyllabic words. So I'll give her the list of words. I will give her a small rectangle board, and it will have magnetic letters. I will form the word battery for her. I will ask her to tell me how to produce this word. If she incorrectly produces this word from my main cue, I will tell her to say the word again. If she still struggles from her max cue, I will tell her to carefully look at the word and to sound out. How to sound out each word is by clapping each sound syllable. For example, battery has 3 syllables. So what I will do is I will say the word with her together. So I will say battery, and that's the word battery. To help her with her phonological disorder, we will do a sandbox activity. So what we'll do is I will give her the list of words that helps her reduce phonological process in fronting. The words that she say incorrectly, we will work on it. So what I would do is I would give her the sandbox. I will tell her, for example, to write the word or trace the word cookie with her finger on the sandbox. And let's just say she didn't write cookie, but instead she writes Tootie. From her main cue, I would tell her to rewrite the word again. From her max cue, if she has trouble with writing the word cookie, so what I would do is I will give her a small mirror. I will tell her to look at her tongue placement. I will tell her to, if you want to form the word cut for a cookie, you have to place your tongue in the soft palate and quite carefully to lower your tongue. And this will help her to pronounce the word cookie. And last thing, after we finish our activities, her token reinforcement is like a reward for her. So her token reinforcement will be her choosing her favorite animal sticker. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. C, for joining me for discussing about your daughter's speech therapy process. If you have any more questions, you can let me know. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.